Hello everyone, what is blockchain technology? First of all, we'll understand what is blockchain technology in simple terms. If I were to ask what is blockchain technology, most of you would say it is the technology behind Bitcoin or Ether or any other cryptocurrencies or one of those. Yeah, it's true, but it's like defining the internet as the technology behind email, which is also true. But it doesn't even really begin to describe the internet, right? So when it comes to blockchain technology, there are different ways to think about the blockchain. One way, think of a blockchain as this one big ledger in the cloud. Ledgers are very important. Everything you own, including money, is nothing but entries in the ledger, right? Let's say I want to transfer $100 from USA to my friend in France, and it's not money that just flies from USA to France, but it's actually a ledger entry happens in my ledger and a parallel entry happens in my friend's ledger in France, right? Now the problem here is there's between my ledger and my friend's ledger in France, there are several other ledgers which are owned by banks, insurance companies, regulators, and money transferring institutions like let's say PayPal, Visa, MasterCards. There are so many other ledgers which are being maintained by different users from everywhere just for one transaction. Now, each of these transactions needs to be reconciled and changed because different users may have different records from different ends. So this creates friction as we have to change so many entries in different ledgers. So this results to time delays and huge amounts of efforts. So my friend in France will get the money after several days, but for some error due to one of the intermediaries, let's say, she receives only $90. The broken traditional system. Now imagine, instead of this broken traditional system, we only have one universal ledger. All the different users we discussed, like me, my friend in France, banks, insurance companies, intermediaries, regulators, all these are the participants of this universal ledger. Let's say in blockchain terms, nodes in the ledger. So every time when a transaction happens, every single node will have to authenticate or validate each transaction. So then you needs to have just one single entry in real time. So this universal ledger is the heart of blockchain technology. So whenever a transactions happen, a block gets created and added to the chain after it's been validated by each node in a decentralized manner, and we call it blockchain, which is also considered to be a very secure network as the blockchain is protected by cryptography, which means it is very difficult to hack, which we will discuss in upcoming lectures. Hope now you have a clear understanding about what is blockchain technology in very simple terms.